The University of Cincinnati's 12,000 square foot ground floor makerspace provides access and training to all UC students and faculty, 1819 corporate and startup partners, and the greater community of makers. Recognized as the #1 most advanced facility of its kind in the region, the ground floor makerspace is equipped with over $1.5 million worth of equipment. It's designed for inventors and creative entrepreneurs, offering many certifications and expert-led experiences in making. Offering the tools and resources needed to help you develop your next product, build new devices, and solve problems that matter. Ready to start making? Join us at the UC Ground Floor Makerspace and turn your vision into reality.